and welcome to Babytime. My name is Jan and this is Mr. Bear. Can you give him a wave? And we're so happy to bring you some rhymes and songs today, and we're going to have a little bit of fun. If everybody's ready, we're going to say our hello song. It goes like this. This is the way we wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. This is the way we wave hello so early in the morning. This is the way we clap hello, clap hello, clap hello. This is the way we clap hello so early in the morning. Ready for your feet? This is the way we stomp hello, stomp hello, stomp hello. This is the way we stomp hello so early in the morning. This is the way we give a tickle, give a tickle, give a tickle. This is the way we give a tickle so early in the morning. This is the way we wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. This is the way we wave hello so early in the morning. Wave, everybody wave. We have a lovely rhyme now, and it's called Round and Round the Garden. And I'm sure lots of you have been doing this for years at home, so you'll remember it. So we're going to trace around baby's hands, give it a little trace. It's like this, round and round the garden, like a teddy bear. One step, two step, tickly under there. Now the other side so it doesn't feel lonely. Round and round the garden, like a teddy bear. One step, two step, tickly under there. Give him a tickle. Thank you, Mr. Bear. We put Mr. Bear over here. I have some other friends that would like to come and say hello to you today too. I wonder what they could be. Let me see. Does anybody know what this one is? Do you know what he is? Oh, he's happy to be here. Yes, you're right. It's a duck. You know what noise the duck makes? Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. And I have another friend, and he's pretty big. And you might have seen these in your neighborhood too. Do you know what he is? He's a seagull, that's right. So these are my dicky birds, and you can do this at home with baby. Put the little fingers in the air, and you're gonna follow along with me. It goes like this. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Dicky birds, do you see them? Good job. Okay, they're gonna fly away now. Fly away and get a snack. Now I'm gonna bring back Mr. Bear to help me do my last couple of rhymes. And these ones are stretchy, stretchy rhymes. So with baby on your lap, you're gonna bounce them up and down. It goes like this. Jack in the box, Jack in the box, I crouch so very low. Turn the handle round and round, and up I go. Jack in the box, Jack in the box, turn the handle and up I pop. Babies like that, they like to go high in the air. And our next one is our tick-tock song. And this is gonna be like tick-tock, like a grandfather clock goes tick. Ready? Tick tock, tick tock. I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick tock, tick tock. Now it's almost 1 o'clock, and then we lift baby in the air. Cuckoo. Let's do it again. Tick tock, tick tock. I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick tock, tick tock. Now it's almost 2 o'clock. Ready? Cuckoo, cuckoo. One more time. Tick tock, tick tock. I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick tock, tick tock. Now it's almost 3 o'clock. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. So you can include those little rhymes throughout the day, and babies love to have a routine. Makes them feel safe and comfortable. So you can include some of those rhymes every day, and they'll love it. Thank you, Mr. Bear. Now we're gonna say our goodbye song. If everybody's ready, it goes like this. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Now we're done. Now we're done. Come again next week. Come again next week. We'll have fun. We'll have fun. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Now we're done. Now we're done. Come again next time. Come again next time. We'll have fun. We'll have fun. Goodbye, everybody. See you next time.